Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Polar Watch to your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on. Then, head to the Apple App Store and download the Polar Flow application. Once installed, open the app and either create a new Polar account or sign in to your existing one. It's also a good idea to ensure both your watch and phone have at least 50% battery life before starting. Now let's get your devices talking. On your Polar Watch, navigate to its settings and select the option to enter pairing mode. Simultaneously, open the Polar Flow application on your iPhone. The app should automatically detect your watch. A Bluetooth pairing request will appear on your iPhone. Accept it. Crucially, confirm that the 6-digit code shown on your watch matches the one on your phone, then accept on both devices. Once paired, your Polar Watch and iPhone will work together seamlessly. The Polar Flow application is designed to automatically synchronize your activity data with the web service approximately every hour. For a manual update, simply open the app on your iPhone and press the button on your Polar Watch. Remember, your iPhone needs an active internet connection, and keeping your watch within a few inches of your phone ensures a smooth data transfer. If you encounter any connection hiccups, don't worry, there are simple fixes. A good first step is to restart both your Polar Watch and your iPhone. You can also try turning your iPhone's Bluetooth off and then on again. If issues continue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Polar Flow application. Finally, if you've previously paired your watch, ensure you remove any old pairings from both your phone's Bluetooth settings and your watch's paired devices list before attempting to repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.